Have you ever felt unsure what your passion is? You are not alone. But here is something important to understand. You don't need a clear, loud sign to find it. And unfortunately, it's not gonna happen to you. You just need to start understanding yourself and what you want to do. And then start taking immediate action towards that. Section 1. Start without waiting for clarity. Don't wait for some magical moment where everything suddenly becomes clear. That moment may never come. Instead, start doing those things that you feel your heart wants to do. This could be anything that you love and think about the most on a daily basis and like to talk about. Whether it's learning a right or related skill for which your heart tells you, exploring a path or trying something new, just begin. When I was at this stage, I was very confused by listening to different people's opinions, and that's why I was unable to start for any goal. Then one day I realized that I am thinking about helping people of my country all the day. I am also interested in talking with people, and in this way I already identified my career. Your heart often gives you a little hints, those moments when something catches your attention or you feel curious about it. And I want to do that. Follow those hints. Section 2. Listen to your heart quietly. The key to finding your passion is not asking others or endlessly searching online. It's a distraction for you in this phase of your decision making journey. It's about sitting quietly and listening to yourself. Turn off the noise around you and give your heart a chance to speak. This could be anything that your heart is talking to you. That's why you are talking about it with your tongue or in your mind all the time and want to do that. So remember, if you are talking about the thing mostly in your heart, your mind, and as well as in your tongue, that is a clear sign. When I was at this stage, I was thinking, what should I start? Then, with the passage of time, I realized that I have already identified my career. At this time, I don't think I identified that because of the different types of distraction, but actually I identified that I like to help the people of my country and I love talking to the people, so the job is done. Why I am so confused yet? When you sit in silence, you will start to realize that your heart is talking to you and telling you to do that. Thing could be anything like helping people, talking to people, making a technical tool. Notice your heart knows what excites you. It's just Section 3. Take action when you feel the pull. Once you feel that pull, once you sense what your heart is telling you, don't wait, because waiting can lead you towards confusion. Take action immediately. It is very important because in this way you can achieve success quickly. It doesn't matter if you are not good at it yet. What matters is starting. By starting and practicing it, you will overcome your deficiencies. In my case, when I realized the sign which is given by my heart that I want to help the people of my country and I want to talk to the people, then I decided to take action and started immediately to guide people and serve the people of my country. Every step you take, no matter how small, will lead you closer to your passion. The more you act, the clearer your path will become. Section 4. Trust the process. You won't find your passion in a single day, and that's okay. What matters is trusting the process. Let your heart guide you, take action, and don't be afraid to explore. Each step brings you closer to understanding what truly excites you. Quietly observing yourself is an important process you need to do. Outro call to action. Finding your passion starts with listening and understanding your heart's message of what your heart wants to do and taking action. So sit quietly, tune into your heart, and follow the path it shows you. If this message resonates with you, give this video a like and subscribe for more inspiration, and let me know in the comments what's one thing your heart is telling.